Hi everyone, this is Yashoda and welcome back to my channel English with Dehati Madam. Friends, in today's video, I'm not going to teach you any kind of lessons regarding learning spoken English and not any kind of particular thing which is related to learning English language. Here I'm going to tell about one of my problems and it bothers me a lot, it annoys me a lot and it makes me feel uncomfortable, friends, and this problem is created by the sum of very few co-learners and partners, I can say, who are also at a very beginning stage of learning this language. Friends, what happens to me? Sometimes some learner, I can say some beginner, they just message me for having session, and and I have mentioned this so many times, means these days it's very busy schedule of mine and it's very difficult for me to get some time and spare some time from my busy schedule, but hardly I'm getting time. But though a shortage of time, I always give my time to my learners and partners. Okay, I just give my time, I fix their timing for having session, but at that very time when it comes for having a session, for a conversation, at that time, at that very time, they just vanished. I don't know why people they do this. At least try to understand value of time. Yeah, I know that. I don't know what is your problem, what are your circumstances right now, but if you have taken your step, okay, if you have geared up, then now you must work on it. Why are you missing your opportunities? Because I'm just telling you, until or unless you are keep wasting your time, your opportunities, you are not going to be a good or fluent English speaker, I can say. I would like to say here only one thing. It's okay. In this way, my time, it has been spoiled. But then still I don't have no worries. I have no problems. I can practice. But it's a kind of a wasting my time, because I know that I don't want to kill my time. Hardly I spare time from my daily routine, from my schedule, and I just want to utilize my this time period, and by giving my time to a genuine person who really wants to learn that language, who really helps me as well as I'm helping them. My intention is not here only for making videos. At least try to understand the delicacy of time. We must know. We are supposed to know about the value of time. Friends, time. The first one is time, and the second one is opportunities. These are the things which always help a person to grow in their life, to groom their personalities. When you keep utilizing your time, when you are not missing single opportunity to have a session with anyone, it means now you have been working on, now you are working on your skill, now you are trying to learn any kind of skill, now you are trying to groom your personality, now you have been working on your personality, it means. But if you have a fear, or just because of having this kind of agitation, or I can say you are not that much confident, just because of you are underconfident, so you are doing this kind of things to others. So please stop this. Don't consider yourself that you are going to do anything if you keep yourself away from these opportunities. So now it's all up to you. Now the ball is in your court. What you are going to do? You are going to waste your time as well as others, or you are going to utilize your time, and by utilizing your time you are also going to make others comfortable by practicing. You also, both of you, not only the person who is in front of you, even you also going to get so many things in a conversation, whether you are at a beginner level or you are at intermediate level or advanced level. But if you keep practicing, then definitely you will learn. You will get from a single conversation. Nothing happens in one day, but one day it will definitely happen. Keep it in your mind and just try to work on your journey. Try to work on your dreams. Try to chase your dreams. And if you will keep following, so definitely you would get. So think about, are you really dedicated towards your learning or not? And I don't want to waste my time. Okay, so if you are here, if you are trying to message me or email me, and after giving my time you are not going to be there, so please don't message me. It's my humble request. I want only genuine learners. I want only genuine person who are really very eager and passionate to learn this language, who are seeking for real partners. So that's it. This was the message which I wanted to give you through this video. And I, I'm sure that you must have known all the things, and from now onwards you are not going to spoil anyone's time, neither your nor others, and definitely you would use your as well as others' time. You will try hard to utilize your time. You won't kill your time. And friends, we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.